Here's our recipe for Nigerian bean porridge and plantains. Enjoy this vegan meal for breakfast or lunch for people that's always on the go. You'll need 4 cups of brown beans or black-eyed beans, 3 whole onions chopped finely, 2 whole tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 5 plantains, 2 teaspoons of all-natural moringa powder, some salt, black pepper, turmeric, and thyme. Rinse the beans in a bowl and put them in a rice cooker with enough water to cover the beans. Cook the beans for 30 to 45 minutes until the beans are soft to touch. Put tomatoes in a food processor, then blend together with the spices and moringa powder. Add coconut oil to a skillet and let it heat up. Add chopped onions and then the blended tomatoes. Fry until all water in the tomatoes evaporates. Add beans to the skillet and mix. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Cut up plantains and fry in coconut oil. You can also steam the plantains if you like it that way. Serve together with the beans and enjoy. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and recipes. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell if you like our content.